Hello everyone and welcome to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Leadfuze. Now Leadfuze is what they claim. It helps you to access 300 plus million verified contacts with their data license. Their comprehensive database of professional contacts refreshed monthly, includes personal and professional data along with personal plus business emails, mobile numbers, addresses and direct lines. A trusted data intelligence partner since 2014. So you request the database, you put the work email here and you get the database. This is the most accurate contact plus data intelligence possible. So let's have people talk about it, testimonies from them. So you can host data on your service, sales, marketing, recruiting. Data intelligence numbers included in the data set. Also you get total profiles, business email and personal email. On the total profiles, about 306 million profiles with first plus last and a personal ID. On a business email, you get about 89 million with the primary business email associated with it. Personal email, you get about 240 million with the primary business email associated. You get mobile numbers of about 194 million associated to the person. Wow. Direct numbers for about 150 million non-mobile numbers, business or personal numbers associated. Personal addresses, you get about 203 million with addresses for where the person lives. So there's so many things you get: LinkedIn URLs, company job title, domain, revenue, department, seniority, homeowners, so much information. Now you might be wondering, what is this about? You see, Leadfuze was established in 2014 and they originally offered the data within their own software solution. However, they decided to focus on selling the entire data set as part of their data license instead to give you complete control of the data. So use it for your own outreach, offer it as a service, or integrate it with your own app. So a lot of people have used it, see, and how it works. It's going wide to support a large audience and a wide array of use cases while going deep enough to be usable, all the while keeping data accurate. It's a lot of work. They help in sourcing, aggregating, deliverable. Now look at sourcing. They spend about 6 figures each year on data partnership and their own crawling. This gives them nearly 1.8 billion people profiles. They work in aggregating. Each month they come through all these profiles and match records and combine data sets to provide a more complete profile. They trash all of the junk profiles that are not useful. This gets them down to about 300 million unique profiles, and they then set up the entire database in a S3 bucket for you each month. You're able to take the entire data set and host it yourself or do what you like with the data. A lot of customers have great things to say about Leadfuze. And the list goes on and on. So don't just take their word for it. See it for yourself. Try it out. And in summary, let me give a quick summary. You see, Leadfuze, actually what they do is they aggregate the world's professional data and the companies they work for to give you an easy way to build the most targeted and accurate list of leads imaginable. It is loved by salespeople, recruiters and marketers. You can even download the desktop app over here.